Okay, so I just did it like 15 minutes ago. I was hoping to see the green color as per their videos. I followed all the possible way to do that, but as you can see, I hardly see any green colored, or yeah, I have seen some blue green spot here, but it didn't do as per the videos and stuff. Look, and after using on this area, it started giving me like watery color. No green color was coming out, and I thought the seeds is done, so I turned it off, and I found seeds in that machine itself. I can show you the machine as well. I mean the plastic container. So there is no green color, I supposed to, and I have seen other people's video as well. I thought it just one case or two, but it's not that good.
Hello there. So the instruction for this says over here, down to light seed and allow water to fill bottle 3/4 full, right? No problem. So then the machine, I have it on light seed, and then of course it says to turn on the water and fill to 3/4. So I'm gonna turn on the water and you're gonna see what's going to happen. Look at all this water coming out of here. Nowhere, I'll shut off the water. Nowhere does it says that water's gonna come out through there once you put it on light seed.
Brand new. How it arrived. Just opened it. Clearly been used.
Nothing growed. Nothing. It's been 4 weeks.